everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is an unboxing and review of a bag from HANDBAGCRAVE. HANDBAGCRAVE is a company that sells designer inspired bags. They are designer inspired because they are without any logos whatsoever. And I'm just very excited to unbox this bag with you. The bag that I chose is a Birkin inspired bag. And I just can't wait to unbox this with you. So yeah, if you're excited for a new video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started with the video. So like I mentioned, the one that I chose is a Birkin inspired bag. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. It came all nicely wrapped up. You can see here their brand, HANDBAGCRAVE. And I was dying to open this, but I've waited to film. So yeah, let's see. So you get a dust bag as well. And then you see here already a little bit of the color. So let's remove this. I really like how they package it. Oh my god. Oh, look at that color. How stunning is this? Oh my gosh, look at that. I love it. Oh, with the golden hardware in the the lining. That's just stunning. Okay, let's remove the plastic. Very nicely wrapped, like I already mentioned. This bag is called the Erin bag. And this is in Epsom leather. So they've got the Erin bag in regular leather and also in Epsom leather. And that's the one I got. And I will compare this with the VIVAIA bag, which I received in the past from them, in regular leather. So you can see the difference if you're on the fence which one to get. So I'm just removing all of the things. I might need some scissors. So we got some plastic on here as well. So let's open it. This is very sturdy, I would say. Very sturdy leather inside. And oh my gosh, we got some extra goodies. So let's see what we get. So you have here some more protection, and oh, I just love that golden hardware with this color. The color that I got is called Milkshake White. I just really love this color. I wouldn't go for like a white, but this is just stunning, I think. So let's see what we get in here. So you get here a strap, so you can wear it crossbody as well, and also a little key with like a key pouch. So this is the strap. We also got this beautiful chocolate brown lining. So we're also going to open that so you can see it better. I love that you can wear this as a crossbody bag as well. I got a size 25 by the way, and I think that's also a great size to wear as a crossbody bag. If it's slightly bigger, like a 28 or 30, it might be too big to wear it as a crossbody. But at 25 centimeters, I think it's perfect. I did get some scissors because it's quite hard to open by itself. Let's see, yeah. But I love that they wrapped it so well, so you know that it's nice and protected. Okay, so I got all of the plastic of the strap, and as you can see, it's an adjustable strap, which I think is great. And then we also got here the little key, so you can accessorize your bag. I love it. You can put this on right now so you can see how it looks. So I just put the key on here, and look how cute that is. I still have some plastic I see over the other straps, which I will get off in a second. But oh my gosh, I can't get over the color, it's so stunning. And then in here we also got, let's see, a little pony, which is so cute. Look at that. Love that. And you also get some matching swillies. Oh my gosh. Love that it's matching. Love the orange. That's so cute. And then the last thing that you get is a little sample of the leather. You can maybe use this If you want to try like a cleaning product, I would be very careful because it's all real leather. But maybe if you want to clean your bag, you can try it on the sample first so you don't damage your bag. So yeah, that's everything that you get. So very cute accessories, the key, the little pony and the twilly. So yeah, we can put that on as well. But I will first take off all of the other plastic bits from the bag so you can appreciate it a bit better. So yeah, I will get everything off the bag and then I will get right back to you. Okay, so I got all of the plastic off so you can appreciate the bag a bit better. So look at that golden hardware. It complements the bag really well. And then you have this chocolate brown lining, which again fits perfectly with the shade of white. And like I mentioned, this is in the color Milkshake White. And they've got lots of different colors, but I just thought this color would be perfect for the summer, fall, winter. You can wear this bag all year round. And yeah, I just love the shape of it. You have two straps, so you can wear it like this, and obviously with the strap you can wear it crossbody as well, which I think is great. So let's have a look on the inside of the bag. So it is also all Epsom leather. So you have a pocket right here, and then on the other side you have another pocket. And you can definitely smell that it's all genuine leather. Like I mentioned, this is called Epsom leather. And the Eva bag that I have is regular leather. Again, I will show that to you in a second so you can see the difference. This is definitely a lot more sturdy. Maybe also easier to clean because it's like a coating. So that's why I went for this lighter color. Usually I'm a bit scared with colors like this, but I think if it gets dirty, it's quite easy to clean. And again, you have this little sample so you can try it out on here. And let's put the little twilly and the little horse on here as well. You can really accessorize this, which I think is just so fun. And with every bag you get a different pony and twilly. So look at that, that's just so fun. And again, this is the little twilly, so that's so cute. Love the colors. But yes, you can style this many different ways. So I will just put it on here for now. Okay, I'm just doing this very quickly, so it will not look perfect, so keep that in mind. So you can style it like this. That's just so fun. Really love this. I really love the quality of HANDBAGCRAVE. The Eva bag that I got from them many years ago is still in great condition. The leather is absolutely amazing, and they are a family-owned business, which I also really love, and they are based in the UK. So yeah, that's a little bit about the company. And yeah, I will show you guys the bag up close so you can see it in a 360, and then after that I will compare it with the Eva bag so you can see that as well. So yeah, let's remove the accessories again so you can see it a bit better. This is the front. Sides. Here you can attach the strap. This is what the bag looks like. And here you have also some golden details, and I see I have again some protection on here as well. Didn't remove that yet. Maybe I will let it on for now so it doesn't scratch. And that's the inside of the bag. And I will now show you the Eva bag so you can see the difference between them. If you're on the fence which one to get, the Erin or the Eva. Okay, so here we got the Eva and the Erin bag. This is the Eva, which is a Kelly inspired bag. It just got one handle, as you can see. And this one I've got for maybe 4 years, I would say. And then this is the new Erin bag. And as you can see, this is in a size 25 centimeters. And this is a 28, I would say. So yeah, you can see the difference between them. The Erin got 2 handles. And the Eva just got 1 handle. And as you can see, this is in regular leather. It's both grained. but this got like a Epsom coating, so you can definitely see the difference. This feels definitely more soft and is more flexible, and this is definitely a lot more sturdy. So yeah, that's the biggest difference, I would say. Both absolutely gorgeous, by the way, but yeah, you can't go wrong. They're both just absolutely stunning. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you like to purchase something from HANDBAGCRAVE, don't forget to use my code PRETTY5 for some discount. And I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!